Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my Telegram group made massive profit from the gold trading. So you can join with its link is below. Join with it and make profit from the gold trading. So last Friday you can see the buyers are in dominant in the gold. That's the dominant break buy side to the gold in the daily chart I am in. You can see the bullish candle is the dominant last Friday. So what is the reason? Reason is that I am going to the FX Street website. So FX Street website mention risks aversion due to European political turmoil boosts demand for safe haven asset like gold. So gold is a safe haven asset. That's the market uncertainty, political tension that the gold demand. That's the last Friday. That is the reason for gold demand. So I would like to tell you next week also the market uncertainty is continuing. That will help to push the gold upside. So let's the technically analysis and what is your trade opportunities in next week. Let's go to the what will happen in gold next week. So I am seeing in the daily chart this type of pattern ranging is the continuing goal downside. You can see in that I am in the daily chart. This is I am seeing pattern price ranging pattern is the gold daily touch. The push to upside can be dropped. That's my first option with technically analysis, and then break can be break this to the upside, retest and continue to the upside. That's the technically two option with the daily chart. This is the upside target 2400 is the my next tick upside target next, and if this break to the downside as the downside target is the 2275 2280 is the downside target. So gold price is in there, and the 2400 is also you can see the left side head and shoulder pattern is on in 2400 level. You can see the left side shoulder, left shoulder, head, and can be is right side shoulder. So this is the price ranging I am technically seeing gold. So let's see the economic data what is important next week regarding US dollar. You is touch with regarding you should touch US dollar economic data if you are trading gold. So retail sales US is there. That's the you should touch that is positive for US dollar. If that figure positive, that's the dollar demand. So and next, and then the flash manufacturing PMI services PMI next Friday also you should touch is a what is economic data regarding US dollar, American Central Bank, Federal Reserve. So last week Federal Reserve was released the US inflation report. That's dropped to the 3.3%. Fed inflation goal is the 2%. As the after CPI data report, that's the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the interest rate cutoff forecast of September FOMC meeting. That's the September FOMC meeting. 25 BPS cutoff forecast increased to 61%. That's the cutoff forecast will increase. That will help to dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. So that you should touch with this Fed Watch Tool website what is going on interest rate force forecast, interest rate price forecast. So last FOMC meeting June, Fed post the rate on 5.5%. If the you can see September forecast 61% forecast to cut off rate. That will increase dollar sell off gold push to the upside. So let's see the technical analysis. I am going to the forward chart. So I am seeing here famous pattern. Can you see the this pattern I am seeing? This is the higher high price was created and the lower low was created. This is the Kosimoto pattern, is the famous pattern for technical traders. This is the level QM sell level, that the psychological level 2350 is the QM sell level. So next week I am seeing this 2350 level is the important level. So this support is become resistant but failed to drop the goal last Friday, and then go to the push to the upside. So I am seeing this Kosimoto sell level price can be reached that level and dropped again. That's my first forecast next week. That's the QM sell level. This the 2350 level. That's my first option. And then if breakout to the upside, that's the QM sell level is break to the upside, not valid QM sell level, and break to the upside and retest and continue to the upside. So that is the other option that you can get the trade from the this QM sell level, what is going on and what are the candlesticks behavior in this level. So this the upside target is the 2400, and this is the upside target, and the downside target is the 2280. So this is the important level 2350. So break to the upside, that is your buy opportunity, not break this level and your sell opportunity next week 2350 IM is the 4-hour chart goal. Seeing this pattern is the more important in next week. So accurate goal trading analysis in the our telegram link is open for you. That's join with it, and link is below, and get the maximum massive profit from the gold trading. So risk management is the key for gold trading. Thank you very much.